This is Mr. Wright. Today we're going to see if we can figure out how to do a shortcut to the Pythagorean theorem. So, the first one I'm going to look at is we are going to solve for C. So, what we want to do is, so we're going to, if C is a hypotenuse, so if we're trying to figure out the hypotenuse, we want to get C by itself. So in order to get the C by itself, I would do the square root on both sides. So if I do that, we're just left with the square root of a squared plus b squared. That just leaves me with the hypotenuse. So what this means is I can solve for the hypotenuse all in one step if I just do that equation, square root of a squared plus b squared. If I want to solve for a leg, so this is I'm solving for the hypotenuse. I want to solve for a leg, so I'm solving for A or B. Then let's say if I want to get A by itself, first I would move the B over to the other side. That would leave me with A squared equals C squared minus B squared. And then if I do the square root of both sides, I would be left with A equals the square root of C squared minus B squared. So this would be the shortcut if I want to solve for a leg and do the Pythagorean theorem in one step. So let's see how we can actually do this. Alright, so the first thing we want to do is identify, am I solving for the hypotenuse or am I solving for a leg? So in the first one, I notice that x is on the hypotenuse, so I'm solving for the hypotenuse. So if you look at my two shortcuts, this one has addition, this one has subtraction. That's pretty much the only difference is it going to be an addition or subtraction problem? So if I'm solving for the hypotenuse, I'm going to be doing addition. So what this would look like is I would just do square root. So this is C, so A and B are 3 and 4. And I just do my two legs, 3 and 4, those two numbers, and your square root. And you can actually type in this entire thing into your calculator all at once, push enter, and it tells you the answer. If I type this in, I get x equals 5. With this next one, I notice now that when I look at the hypotenuse, there's a number on the hypotenuse. That means we're solving for a leg. So rather than doing addition, I'm going to do subtraction. So all you do is plug in your two numbers. The bigger number, the hypotenuse value, has to go first. And then we do the leg second, but you do subtraction rather than addition. Put this in your calculator all at once, you get 8. That's the answer. This one, I'm going to look at my hypotenuse. If there's an x there, I'm going to do addition. I'm going to do the square root of 5 squared plus 13 squared. I'm going to type that into my calculator. This one I get a decimal. So whatever the decimal is, that's what's right now. This is going to be another addition one. Square root of 15 squared plus 8 squared. Type it into your calculator. This one, if there's a number there, I do subtraction. Square root of 37 squared minus 35 squared. Type it into your calculator, you get your answer. So the big thing is, can you identify, is it addition or subtraction? If I look at the hypotenuse, if there's a number there, I have to do subtraction. If there's an x there, I have to do addition. This is another subtraction problem. And we just did the Pythagorean theorem in one step. You type it into your calculator, and